when we have the equation y equals mx plus b, that is referred to as the slope-intercept form of a line. Now, the m out in front there, the m refers to the slope, as we already know, and the b refers to the y-intercept. Okay, so what I want to do now is play around with this slope-intercept form of a line, identifying the slope and the intercept. It's going to start off easy and then get a little bit more challenging. We notice this first equation, y equals 3x minus 5, is already of the form mx plus b. The m is the 3 and the negative 5 is the b. So I'm going to actually write that off to the side. M is equal to, positive 3. And the y-intercept isn't just negative 5, it's the point 0, negative 5. A y-intercept is not a number, it's the point where the line crosses the y-axis. In this second problem here, it's already set up for us. The slope is equal to 1/3, and the y-intercept is going to be the point 0, negative 4/7. In problem number 3, you see a y equals mx. So the m is given to, m is 5. Notice it's just the number 5, not the 5x, but there is no number off to the right. In this case, we put in a plus 0, and we notice or say that the y-intercept will be at the origin 0, 0. In problem number 4, there is no coefficient in front of x, so we assume that it is 1, and m is equal to 1, and the y-intercept will be 0, negative 9. Okay, moving on to problem number 5. We see here that it's not in a y equals format, so what I'm going to do is put it into slope-intercept form. I'm going to begin by subtracting 3x off of each side in an attempt to get y by itself on the left. We're going to have 7y equals, and instead of writing 11 minus 3x, I'm going to write negative 3x plus 11 in an attempt to start getting it ready for that mx plus b format. I'm now going to divide each side by 7 and write y here is equal to negative 3/7 x plus 11/7. And now we can see that the slope is negative 3/7 and the y-intercept is 0, 11/7. Okay, let's do this again here in problem number 6. Again, it's not in slope-intercept form, so we're going to solve for y, beginning by subtracting this 2x off of each side. That will on the left give us 5y, and on the right negative 2x plus 3. Dividing each side by 5, we're now going to have y equals negative 2/5 x plus 3/5. So our slope is the number in front of x, negative 2/5, and our y-intercept is going to be the point 0, 3/5. Now this skill of taking an equation from standard form into slope-intercept form is a key skill.